NMIXX, Soñar.
What did he say?
Breaker, MV, released like 3 days ago, I think. I'm actually very curious to see where NMIXX is continuing to grow as a group. So I don't really know what to expect. I never really checked any of the teasers. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna go live on Twitch at 5 p.m. PST. We're gonna play some K-pop games. Going against my girlfriend to see who knows more K-pop. So be there, 5 p.m. PST. 3, 2, 1. Wait, captions on. We always gotta do captions on, no matter what. Even if, you know, you never know. You never know. Captions on. English, let's go. Oh, okay. Off the bat with the flag. Oh, that's kind of fire. Oh, they in formation. Let's go ahead, mix. Oh, the rock in the sky. Rockefeller. Jay-Z. Chairs. Wait, we gotta stop? Is that what it said? We gotta stop. We gotta stop. Let's go, Lily. Okay. Breaking it out of the orbit? Okay. Time. Why, yeah. They brought up the why. Yeah. She's like, I'm gonna move this way. So fast. Soñar. Did I say that right? I said Sonar. I didn't see the Enya. Dre, you don't see the Enya? Bro, the amount of years you spend in Miami, you still don't understand the Enya? Oh, that is a terrible freeze frame. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. That's bad. Anyways. Soñar. Como aso soñar, wait, hold up. I need to search this up. We need to Google Translate. Listen. I haven't practiced my Spanish in so long. What, soñar means dream? I think. Put in the comments down below. Correct me if I'm wrong. Change up. Oh, yo, they literally had a transformation. They had an evolution. Change up. That's fire. Oh, they all in wigs too? Hey, yo. Oh, them nails are crazy sharp. Oh my god. Oh, interesting transition back to the actual song. I like that change up. It's nothing like, I remember their debut, they had like 3 change ups. Wait, the world is my egg. No need for a shield. The world is an egg. Hard rock is my name. Well, damn. Okay. Ah. Damn, they really killing it. Okay. Okay, vocals. Where is this? I feel like I've seen this background before. Maybe. Ooh, all the dancers. So fast. Como soñar. Why am I struggling to say that? Como se dice, como arroz con pollo. You better be putting it up. Okay, Miss Lily. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Hey, break it down. Hey. Okay. Oh, they got them shoulder pads and everything. Hey. Ooh, them boots are bootsing. Oh my god, they did a Naruto hand. They did a jutsu. I know damn well. That's some hand techniques. What is that? Did it just go like this? Or was it actual hand signals? I don't know actually. Oh, that little like that. Hey. Ah. Wait, it says. Todo lo que puede sonar es real. Everything you can dream is real. It can be. It can be. You can make your dreams real, for real. Again, you gotta put a little hard work into it. You know, I know NMIXX be putting in that work. Interesting change up too. I actually really enjoyed that. Alright, NMIXX. Okay, NMIXX, I see you. Como sonar. I feel, why am I struggling, bro? Doesn't give me an excuse because I lived all my life in Miami and I had like an A+ in high school Spanish, but I just never got to use it and I forgot everything. That's what happens sometimes when you don't practice. Stay in school, kids. Next up, we got BM Lowkey. He Lowkey just dropped this single. Hey, shout out to the homie. This one, Lowkey, I'm not sure what to expect from this. He said, and I quote, basically he said like it's a little something, something, you know what I'm saying? There's no such thing as a little something, something with BM. Oh, he was telling me the next one was chill, nothing too crazy. I'm like, alright. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are we sure about that?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, that part. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this. BM, Lowkey, MV, let's go. He made a whole MV too. You could just release a single. Oh. Okay, oh damn, who this? Oh.
In the party with my woodies.
With my woadies. In the party with my woadies. What the f is a woadie? Wait, hold up. I might be lost with this. What is a woadie? Woadies is used to refer to someone you consider a friend or acquaintance. I've never been called a woadie. If someone called me a woadie, I'd be like, yo, that must be racist. I don't know. What the a woadie is a middle-aged man that wears throwback jerseys and acts like he's 17. Wait, Urban Dictionary got you fucked up. Wait, hold up. Woadie is also a slang word for shardy. Particularly a bad bitch, a positive term referring a good friend. Hey man, Urban Dictionary. Anyways, let's continue, bro. Sorry, that word just threw me off. I did not knew about that word. That's fire though. Hey, man's got his abs out and everything. Boy, work hard though. Yeah, I love it when, you know what I'm saying, and throw it back, you know what I'm saying, right? Oh my god, that little, you know, when my shorty get low, my god, not playing. Damn. Let's hit it back in my spot. It'll be a little bit low. Full of all tens. But I've been there. Like, oh, male, female.
Boy, I wanna test your stamina. Ass so fat, like, can you handle this diameter?
Hey yo. Hey yo.
Baby, I'm the furthest thing from it.
Hey. This man said it was chill. What? I mean, it's chill, like it's chill sounding, but nah. Hey, my boy, I'm reacting. You said it was chill. You said it was chill. You said it was. Nah, these lyrics are not that chill, my boy. Man said it was chill. It's a damn lie.
Hey, we gon' make a movie.
Gonna make a movie. Hey. Ain't fucking with no goofy.
In the party with my woodies. Henny in my body got me loaded. Bad vibes, that's something we don't condone it. Got the whole function, jumping to the morning.
Hey. 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 Low, more low key. Hey. Hey.
When she put it on the floor, show me how you got like, oh, she real flossy.
Hey, this song go hard. These a little bossy. Saucy? Nah. Hey, he get wet. Okay, Bill. Ooh, I like how he did that. I like that he didn't say goofy. He says he's just teasing it. That's fire. Bro, do you use the term Wody? Or you just search it? I don't know, man. Till them, damn, they really they grinding. Ooh. Get a little body rolling in this. Get more low key. I like that, the little low key. Ooh. Woo. Big up BM, bro. This man said this was just chill. Nah, man, them lyrics are not chill, man. You still wildin' out. I don't think you even know that you wildin' out. I'm gonna tell you, you wildin' out. You still wildin' out. You're a little bit more low key, but you still wildin' out. All right, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of today's videos. These were fire. I'm definitely gonna have to be adding this to the playlist. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Jerry from Jrekml, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Twitch live today, 5 p.m. PST. K-pop games. Come and join us. Going to get my girlfriend, see who knows more K-pop more, and it should be a good time. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.